Is your Windows 11 PC refusing to boot and you have been worried about losing important files? Don't panic. We will show you how to safely recover data from an unbootable hard drive. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will guide you step by step through methods to recover your files from a hard drive that won't start in Windows 11. No stress, no guesswork. Let's get started. Method 1. Connect to another PC. Remove the drive from the unbootable PC. Use a SATA to USB adapter or enclosure to connect it as an external drive to a working computer. Check if it is recognized in File Explorer or Disk Management. Copy files manually. To do that, open Notepad, then go to File, then open Browse to your drive, or open File Explorer and browse to the files you want to copy. Now, copy and paste important files to an external drive. Wait for it to unfreeze. See if this works. Method 2. Use Windows Recovery Environment. Create a Windows 11 installation USB on a working PC. Boot the unbootable PC from the USB pressing the BIOS key. If you don't know your BIOS key, then you can check the user manual or visit your manufacturer's website. While you boot from the installation media, select Repair your computer. Then select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. Drive letters in WinRE may differ from normal Windows. You can use the command below to list drives and volumes. Make sure to remember the drive letter of your target partition and the external storage. Now in the command prompt window, type replace C: with your drive, E: with external drive to copy files and folders. If corruption is suspected, run check disk X:/F/R. Replace X with your drive letter to fix errors. Method 3. Create a bootable recovery USB. Prepare a working PC and USB drive. Use a working computer with internet access. Insert a USB stick. Back up any important data on the USB as it will be formatted during the process. Download and install a data recovery software like MyRecover or Windows File Recovery from the official website. Download the installer and run it on the working PC. Complete the installation process. Launch MyRecover. Navigate to Advanced Recovery, then PC Crashed Recovery. Follow the on-screen instructions to write the recovery environment onto the USB drive. Wait until the process finishes. The USB is now bootable. Plug the bootable USB into the computer that won't start. Power on the PC and immediately press the BIOS or the UEFI key. Enter the BIOS or the UEFI setup menu. In BIOS or UEFI, locate the boot priority or boot order settings. Set the USB drive as the first boot device. Save changes and exit BIOS. The PC will restart and boot into the MyRecover environment. Once booted, MyRecover will open automatically. Select the target drive or partition you want to recover files from. Click Scan to begin searching for lost files. After scanning, browse through the list of found files. Preview them to confirm. Select the files you want to restore and click Recover. Choose a secure location to save recovered files. Preferably, use an external drive or another partition to avoid overwriting data. And that's it. You now know how to recover data from an unbootable hard drive in Windows 11. If this guide saved your files, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more essential tech fixes. Have tips or questions about data recovery? Share them in the comments so others can benefit too. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next video.